Hi everybody, welcome back to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We're here at the 2020 annual dealer meeting with Harley-Davidson, showing you another fine creation for the 2020 model year. This is a road blind special. And there's not a lot of overpowering changes to this model year, but there's a lot of stuff that you have to be really paying attention to see the subtle differences. It still comes with the blacked out Milwaukee 8 114, as well as the blacked out finishes throughout to complete the custom style. New stretch saddlebags for a slimmed down profile. But this motorcycle has the option for the new RDRS technology. That's the Reflex Defensive Rider System. This bike also has the new gloss black Prodigy wheels, 19-inch in front and 18-inch in the back.